When I say I literally am running to the bus, I left my phone at the house, so I had to run back and go get it. I'm tired. Don't do this again, Chase. Don't leave your phone. Camera too. Baby, let's make a y'all don't remember the new flames? Yeah, you gotta see the video. Time. You got something to say, Oreo? Say hello to the people. Every video, they always looking at you. You ain't gonna speak? You just gonna stare? Alright, forget him then. I'm the main event anyway.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hi, it's your virtual bestie Chase here, and I'm back to you with another video. And so, let me tell you, I just came back from a basketball game. I'm about to insert some clips of that, by the way. Whew. Today was a very long day because we had a pep rally this morning. And then we also had, well, I had school, of course, and then I had to help set up for court, and it did not go that well because I got a, no, at first I got an unverified absence. Then I got a tardy. Who was a tardy? Nobody. And also get the tardy fixed. And I had went to the office. I was like, hey, blah, 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 can I get my my unverified absence changed instead of a tardy? And the lady had said, no, you have to consult with your teacher about it. I was like, okay. I'm not going to get attitude about it. I'm about to go press on about my day. I went and asked my teacher what had happened, and we got it fixed. Because, like, you work in the office, you know what you're doing. Don't be so difficult. At all. Please don't be difficult. My mom, she had cooked something. Let's see what she cooked. Let's see what she cooked. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woots, woots, woots. Shrimp Alfredo. Look at that shrimp Alfredo. Who do you know makes some good shrimp Alfredo? Not your mommy, but my mommy does. She cooks some good Alfredo. And then also, you know, when every parent cook, guess what you have to do? Clean it up. So, y'all gonna watch me clean up the dishes as well. Well, I was gonna hand wash dishes. No, I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. That's what you call being smart and lazy at the same time.
Usually I don't do this.
Y'all watch. I'm about to let him out. Look at this. Look where he going. Look. Why are you on my bed, Oreo? Why are you on my bed? You must really love my bed. You hate sitting in that cage, huh? Just spoiled.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Today's the next day. Ooh, the light is really bad. Today's the next day. I'm about to fix my lunch for school. And let me tell you, I feel so doggone tired. Because that game get up until like 9, and that's most of the time like when I go to bed, so. And oh, let me tell you what happened. So I was editing some pictures, and okay, so I have finished editing my pictures. Let me show you. Please be honest with me if it's like really bad. Hold on. Okay, this is where I knew I edited really good. Like, they look so perfect in these pictures. I'm so happy. Oh, excuse that. And then this picture right here is so, I love this picture so much. Y'all just don't know. That picture looks so nice. And then also this picture right here of Maylin. When I say you have to try, she just said, let me just do this and you're gonna eat every time. It's something about this picture. This is my favorite. One of my favorites so far. Just look at the pose. Just look. When I say it does. And then look, I love this picture as well. They all look so nice in this picture. And her pictures are good as well. Especially her dress fits just the whole aesthetic. Yeah, I'm about to send my friend her pictures. I got done editing them and everything. And I just love what I did, all the work that I did. I feel like I did such an amazing job. And I know I'm going to get better. Oh, this is what the pasta looked like from last night. Yeah, it still look good. It look really good. Let me get my tripod. Whenever I open my door to my room, he is gonna show up. Come on. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Okay. Real fancy. Okay. because I can't miss the bus. I swear I can't. Because I don't have no ride to school if I miss the bus unless I get like a lift. And then if I get a lift, then I'll be late. And then I'll be mad that I spent $15, $11 on a lift. But I'm trying to get me some food before I go. Because who likes to be hungry at school? Not me. So yeah, the game was pretty good. I think that the boys won and then the girls won as well. I'm so happy for them. I'm about to post their pictures from the game later on today because I was just posting a whole lot of the air court maids last night. I'm not going to take that shine away from them, but then I'm going to post the boys today. Like, I don't know. It's 7:44 right now. So I may post them at around like 10:30, 11, 12. I don't know. Yeah, oh yeah, me and my friend were talking about how to make our videos better to get like our engagement up. Because I'm one of those people, I just like doing stuff for no reason, to just try it out and see. Y'all saw my first, if y'all were here for this video. But I've done some YouTube videos way back. And I'm telling you, this is a whole lot better than the ones way back. 10 times better. And so, yeah, I'm done packing up my lunch. I need to hurry up before I be late. And see, I'm gonna be mad if I'm late. I'm about to get me something to drink. And these are the vitamins that I take every morning. I take zinc and vitamin C. This is like whenever I'm sick. And I've been sick for the longest now. And I hate being sick. Yeah, see y'all later. Hopefully I don't miss the bus. See y'all later. Okay, so I just made it back home and my package just came in. Oh! My package just came in. My package just came in. Yeah, my package just came in. And I got me some pants because, you know, Black Friday was like a couple days ago. And a whole bunch of new stuff. Like a lot of new stuff. And I made sure to get some new supplies for it. And I'm so happy. I think my purchases are going to be really nice. I wonder what this is. And I also bought some Christmas gifts during Black Friday. That is the best time to buy Christmas gifts. And my mama's Christmas gift came. I'm so happy. I can't tell y'all what kind of bag it is. That was a good boy purchase. Who you know, standing on big business. Big business. Yep, that's me. Okay, and then here's my stuff in my shower head. Because I got me a whole new shower head. Ooh. Who do you know? Who do you know? Stainless. No. Yeah, I got me. This is like the handheld shower thing. And it has like the it just got a whole new shower thing. I've been needing that because I got these rods. I think this is the rod. Oh no. This is my cord cover because you see my cords over there. Let me show you. My cords over there by my TV. Yeah, I'm gonna hide those really bad because I don't want nobody to see my cords. But this thing ain't long enough. I just noticed that. This may not even be long enough. Oh my. Dang, I'm gonna have to buy another one. And wait a whole another 6 months. And I got me some curtain rods. Child. Because I need some curtains in my room. Because it gets really bright in here in the morning time. And I don't like it being bright. Actually, I like the sun, but not that bright. In the morning, especially. But I already know once I get up, I'm gonna open the curtains real quick. This is my shower because I'm getting sick and tired of that pink shower curtain. that we have. We just bought it because we were just moving in. And I got me a new one. This is the one that's gonna be in the shower. This is my bathroom set right here. This sample is gonna be black and white. SD card. I've been waiting on this SD card for the longest. Lord knows I've been waiting on this SD card. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Because I need it. I've been needing one. And this is gonna be my stocking stuffers for my friends and family. Because, you know, people be getting ashy stuff. Because, you know, I be editing my videos. Oh my gosh! Okay, here go my stuff. This is gonna be on my walls. It's gonna be right here to cover up. So I'm about to, we're still in the painting process. Don't judge me. I just took down my mirrors from over here. Like I had like tall mirrors that are over here. And I just took them down. So now I'm gonna put up some pictures right here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, I got 3 of them. It's gonna be 3 pictures right here. It's gonna look, y'all just got to wait. Y'all just got to wait and see. It's gonna be looking so nice. Y'all just don't know how nice it's gonna be. And I got my dog a dog bed. It's about time because I was getting sick and tired of my dog being at this. Oh, these are the pictures for my stuff that I'm about to hang up. And then here is the shower right. Wait, no, these are my curtains. Oh my goodness. My curtains. They're supposed to be blackout. Hopefully they are. Hopefully they're blackout. Oh, these are long. These gonna be too long because my windows ain't even that big. I got 2 of them. Some cocoa butter, and then oh yeah, I got a tracker for my dog. And that's everything. Hopefully, and then I got me 7 pairs of jeans. I've been needing some jeans like really bad. And I'm so happy that I got them. Oh my goodness, I feel so happy right now. I just did big boy business. I did some big boy business. So, hang up my curtains and clean up my room again. I know this is really sad. I always have to clean up my room because my room gets really dirty really quick.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with his head. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist want the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind. Shit.
When I say I feel so freaking bad, why did I finish looking at all my stuff and I noticed I'm missing something? I'm missing my it's for my bathroom. It was this glass thing that I had bought from there. It was like this glass shelf or plastic shelf. I don't know which one it was. But put my cologne collection over there. Such a bummer.
as you got your eyes. Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind.